Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up taxes on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the landing page for one of my sites on Squarespace, and what we're going to do from here, make sure you're on the main menu. Over here, you want to be on this menu. You don't want to be in pages. You want to be on website or in any of these here tabs, except for the sub tabs of website. Then click on your settings, and then you'll be on website. From here, you're going to click on selling, and we're going to scroll down until we see taxes. And here you can set up your own tax rule. You can manage how and where your business collects tax if you want. You can add it at checkout or include it in the price. I like to include it in the price. Me, myself, living in Europe, this is a standard over here, and this is the best sort of way that you can do this. It just makes it much simpler for everyone that's shopping. Then once you're done with that, click on add rate. You can select whichever country you want. I'll select Aruba, for example. Click next. You can enter the tax name. I'll just test tax. I'll just add that. Country rate, I'll set it at 20%. I'm not sure if that's correct for Aruba. I'll just put it like that. You can charge taxes on services and digital products, and you can also charge taxes on shipping if you want to. I'm not sure. It depends on your country what you're doing, so you can turn that on or off if you want. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to want to click on save. And once you click that, that is pretty much it. You can set up an additional rate by clicking add rate over here. You can click on this rule to edit it again, just to charge tax on services and digital products. You can change this. You can change the country rate. You can change the name. You can do whatever you want. I won't change anything, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.